Hello everyone, this is Prabhas from SAIMEDHA KOTI, Hyderabad. For all JLM aspirants, మనం ఆల్రెడీ స్టార్ట్ చేసాం SAIMEDHA KOTI హైదరాబాద్లో JLM PYQ సిరీస్. అందులో DC మిషన్స్ స్టార్ట్ చేద్దాం ఈరోజు. ముందుగా మనం DC మిషన్స్లో క్వశ్చన్స్ చూద్దాం. ఈ క్వశ్చన్ సింగరేణి 2024లో అడిగాడు. ద క్వశ్చన్ ఏంటిదంటే వాట్ ఈస్ డిఫైన్డ్ యాజ్ ద డిస్టెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ టూ అడ్జసెంట్ పోల్స్ ఇన్ ఎలక్ట్రిక్ మిషన్. ఈజ్ ఆస్కింగ్ అడ్జసెంట్ పోల్స్ అంటే పక్క పక్కన ఉన్న పోల్స్. నేను ముందుగా 4 పోల్ మిషన్ అనుకుంటున్నాను. ఫోర్ పోల్ మిషన్ అనుకుంటున్నాను. నార్త్ పోల్ సౌత్ పోల్, నార్త్ పోల్ సౌత్ పోల్. వాడు ఏమడుగుతున్నాడు మన క్వశ్చన్లో? అడ్జసెంట్ పోల్స్ అడుగుతున్నాడు, అంటే పక్క పక్కన ఉన్న పోల్స్. నేను ఈ పోల్ తీసుకుంటున్నాను. మన DC మిషన్స్లో దీన్ని పోల్ పిచ్గా డిఫైన్ చేస్తాము. ద డిస్టెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ two adjacent poles is known as pole pitch. So the correct option is option 2 is the correct answer. We'll see the next question. This was asked in ఈ క్వశ్చన్ ఏంటంటే SPDCL 2022లో అడిగాడు. చూద్దాము. చూస్ ది రాంగ్ స్టేట్మెంట్ ఫ్రమ్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ DC మిషన్. వాడు ఏమడుగుతున్నాడు? రాంగ్ స్టేట్మెంట్ అడుగుతున్నాడు. చూద్దాం. ఫస్ట్ ఆప్షన్, function of yoke is provide mechanical support to the poles. Yes, correct. Function of poles supports the mechanical support for poles because మొత్తం మనం ముందుగా యోక్ గురించి మాట్లాడుకోవాలంటే DC మిషన్లో యోక్ మొత్తం 3 ఫంక్షన్స్ చేస్తుంది. ఒకటేమో పోల్స్కి మెకానికల్ స్ట్రెంత్ ఇస్తుంది, రెండోది ఇది అవుటర్ మోస్ట్ లేయర్ ఆఫ్ ది DC మిషన్ అంటే అవుటర్ ప్రొటెక్టింగ్ కవర్ లాగా యాక్ట్ చేస్తుంది. అండ్ థర్డ్ వన్ వచ్చేసి ఇట్ యాక్ట్స్ యాజ్ మ్యాగ్నెటిక్ పాత్ ఫర్ రిటర్న్ ఫీల్డ్ ఫ్లక్స్ కోసం చేస్తుంది. సెకండ్ స్టేట్మెంట్, పోల్స్ ఆర్ లామినేటెడ్ టు రిడ్యూస్ హిస్టెరిసిస్ లాసెస్. నో, వి ఆల్ నో poles are laminated to reduce eddy current losses. Eddy current losses. Again, third option, commutator collects the current from the armature coils as brushes collect the current from the commutator collect. So he's asking which of the following is wrong statement. So wrong statement is option 2. So option 2 is the correct answer. We'll see the next question. The next question is asking if number of parallel paths of a DC machine is 8, then lap winding and man winding is asking number of brushes. The formula for this is number of brushes equal to number of parallel paths. We all know very well, for lap winding number of parallel paths equal to P. It is given in 8 in the question. And for wave winding, the number of parallel paths will be 2 for always. For this, we can say lap winding 8 brushes and wave winding 2 brushes. 8,2 is the answer. We'll check where is the option. Right, first option is the correct answer. We'll see the next question. This was asked in 2022 SPDCL. We'll see. He's asking if E and V are the generator and terminal voltages, IL, IA, IF are the line, armature and field currents, and RA is the armature resistance, then voltage and current equations of the shunt generator and shunt motor he was asking. Before going, we'll see the diagram of shunt generator. This is the diagram for shunt generator. This is load. This is generator voltage E, RA, IA, IL and IF. He is asking the voltage equation. Apply KVL in this loop, we'll get E equal to V plus IA RA plus VBD. VBD means brush voltage. So in the question is not mentioned about the brush voltage, so we should neglect the brush voltage. The answer will be E equal to V plus IA RA. And the current equation, if you apply KCL at the node, IA equal to IL plus IF. IL plus IF. Listen, in shunt generator and shunt motor, we can say the current equations is opposite. This is one of the shortcuts was discussed in SAIMEDHA KOTI Hyderabad offline classes. So the current equation and voltage equation for the shunt motor will be E equal to V minus IA RA and IA equal to IL minus IF. This only sign change will be in the both equations already discussed clearly in SAIMEDHA KOTI Hyderabad. By observing, we can say is asking the load voltage terminal in the form of, so V equal to E minus IA RA. Check in the answers. V equal to E minus IA RA. First option is satisfying. E equal to E plus, no, wrong option. And third one also satisfying. And fourth one also not satisfying. Then check the current equation. Current equation also is asking in terms of IL. Convert IL equal to IA minus IF. So check IA minus IF. First option is satisfying and third option also not satisfying. Option 1 is the correct answer. Then we will see the next question. It was asked in 2022. A DC shunt generator has an EMF of 100 volts. Let us assume EG1 equal to 100 volts. And when the useful flux per pole is pi 1 equal to 20 milliwebers. And the speed is 800 RPM. Let us assume N1 equal to 800 RPM. What is the generated EMF when the flux per pole is 24 milliwebers and speed is 1000 RPM is asking. He is asking EG2 in the question. He given pi 2 equal to 24 milliwebers and N2 equal to 1000 RPM. 1000 RPM. We all know the generated EMF equation EG equal to pi Zn by 60 into P by A. From that we can say while operating of the DC machine, EG is directly proportional to N pi. So we can write EG2 by EG1 equal to pi 2 N2 by pi 1 N1. So substitute all the values. EG2 by EG1. EG1 directly will substitute, answer 100 volts is given, and pi 2 N2 1000 RPM into 24 milliwebers 10 to the power of 3 where milli stands for, and pi 1 N1 800 into 20 into 10 to the power of minus 3. While calculating all equation, you will get EG2 equal to 150 ohms. 150 ohms. See everyone, EMF equation of a DC generator is very important. From same this model is asked another year also. We'll see that question also. The question was asked in 2020-23. See a DC shunt generator running at 1000 RPM and generates the EMF of 200 volts and armature voltage drop is 10 volts, and if the speed increases by 1200 RPM and the generated voltage EMF will the same drop is asking. So given here IA RA drop is given. So we all know that IA RA drop is given, but if you go in that model it will get lengthy. So shortcutly we have discussed, we can say EG is directly proportional to N pi, which was discussed in before question. So here flux, assume flux as constant. EG2 by EG1 equal to N2 by N1. So substitute the values is given EG1 200 volts and N2 1200 RPM, N1 1000 RPM. If you solve this equation, you will get EG2 as 240 volts. 240 volts. Like that, many shortcuts are discussed in SAIMEDHA KOTI Hyderabad offline classes. So now we will see next. Right. Dear JLM aspirants, SAIMEDHA KOTI Hyderabad launched a new course called 4-month result oriented Spark batch. Already started. Admissions are in progress. Before going to online and offline features, we'll see what are the offline features. Offline Patrikatalu. We'll see in SAIMEDHA KOTI, Hyderabad, offline classes are running daily. Daily 4 hours class is running. After completing each chapter, chapter-wise test is conducted. After completing each subject, subject-wise grant test also conducted for all offline students. And mock exams are conducted after completing the whole 4 months batch. And free online course and free materials are provided for offline students. Those who are not unavailable for offline students, for all the JLS aspirants, don't worry. Our SAIMEDHA KOTI Hyderabad launched online courses also. In our online courses, the features are English medium and Telugu medium both are recorded separately. And all JLM PYQs, ecet PYQs, handout bits and most expert bits are explained clearly in the form of videos, are all uploaded in our SAIMEDHA KOTI. And we also provided in our app all classroom notes and chapter wise self tests, subject wise tests, mixed wise subjects, all self tests are uploaded in our app, and mixed wise subject grant test also uploaded, and mock exams also uploaded in our SAIMEDHA KOTI Hyderabad. To avail this course, please download the app saimedha.in and contact for the further details 9848692598 number. Do not miss the golden opportunity. Thank you.